Do you have pets at home and you have pet hair everywhere? We are in the garage right now and I need to sweep it, but I don't want all of this dog hair to get stuck in here. So let me show you this great DIY broom hack to get the dog hair out of your broom. Turn your broom upside down, grab some masking tape or painter's tape or any kind of tape, maybe not duct tape, but just some tape. You want it to be kind of wide here. And then what you're gonna do is take your tape and lay it across your broom just like this and watch the magic happen. So as we can see, there is so much dog hair. Yes, I have some German shedders and they were hanging out in the garage, and let's go ahead and clean all of this up. And so what's gonna happen is, oh my gosh, look at that. Wow, look at all of this hair that got collected on that tape. And so it's not in the broom as much as it would have been, and this is so easy. All we're gonna do is take this tape off and throw it away. Super easy cleanup. You don't have to take a comb and get the hair through. So easy. If you want to know what happens when you put salt on your broom, click on the video screen right here. Oh, gross. Let's throw that away.